Hey guys, Jay Shackford here, and there's a Wallcloud over there. A Wallcloud all the way over there, near that sign you guys probably can't see that says Hobby Lobby. If you guys are capable, zoom up and past that. This is Budget Lodge. If you can, zoom up towards that Budget Lodge sign, and you can see there's a Wallcloud behind it. Hey, Judge. Crazy weather. It's got me concerned. I did hear tornado sirens, I think. I heard, and then it disappeared. So. Hey,
Ain't
Troy.
this illegal?
What? Alright, forget that stuff. The highway's more packed than ever, and it's not even rush hour. The highway has more cars than usual.
Excuse me.
What are you doing?
See if you got some tomato chips left in the car.
I gotta go to work in this shit.
I know, right? And you gotta go to work at 4:30? Crap, that's gotta suck.
You're gonna be inside.
A janky building that has one wall's made out of freaking wood because somebody drove through it.
Really?
Yeah. And they
Wow.
won't fix it because they want to build us a new store.
Wow. Get a different job. Go work at an office or something. Go work at Plaza Towers. Oh, thunder. The nasty storm is here to kill us all in Springfield.